everybody, Anthony Hunkler here with Magne Shade, and in today's video, we'll be showing you how to properly install the patented Magne Shield tow cover. Included with your Magne Shield tow cover is going to be your interior magnets, your keder, which acts as a mechanical fastener and further strengthens the overall shield system, and also your instructions to reference when installing your Magne Shield. The first step in installing your Magne Shield tow cover is going to be preparing the glass and getting it nice and clean. The best way to do this is by taking isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber towel, cleaning the areas of the glass where the magnets will be located, as well as where the keder will be placed. With the glass clean, now we're ready to begin the dry fit process, where we'll take the cover, put it up to the glass, and then begin placing magnets without actually exposing the adhesive. What this allows us to do is get the tow cover nice and tight and ensure that all magnets are in the correct locations. From there, we will be able to permanently place them. The number one pro tip I can give you in today's installation video is taking those magnets one by one, separating them, and putting them on the back of something metal. This will ensure that they don't jump together or collide and prevents any headaches throughout the installation process. With the magnets now in the dry fit position, it's super important that we go ahead and scoot them towards the edge of glass. What this does is move the corresponding magnet that's in the cover to the outside position, resulting in a nice and tight fit. With the tow cover now properly dry fitted, we're going to do two things. Number one, we're going to check to make sure the cover is nice and square relative to the glass. And number two, we will dry fit the keder to ensure that it lands along the perimeter of the glass. Now that both the interior magnets and the keder are dry fit, it's time to place those magnets. So what I'm going to do is work one magnet location at a time, removing it from the glass, exposing the adhesive, and setting it to the glass. When placing the interior magnets, what I like to do is hold the magnet firmly without touching the exposed adhesive and take your knuckles against the glass. Use that as leverage. That way the magnet does not jump out of your hands into the glass. Next up, we're going to go ahead and place this keder on the glass. The keder acts as a mechanical fastener in addition to our magnetic system. Although the magnets are extremely strong, the addition of the keder in strategic locations ensures that the Magne Shield is on to stay. One thing we include with each tow cover is a safety tether on each side. And so what you're going to do is take the safety tether from this D-ring, which is attached to the tow cover, and you can loop it around the mirror, and that just provides more peace of mind and added security when going down the road. I hope that this video was helpful as you were installing your tow cover today. If you have any questions about what you saw in this video, please don't hesitate to reach out to us as we're here to help.